I'm Tyler from Diamond ProTech, here today to talk to you about Diamond ProTech's new Aftercare line of products. Let's start over here with our Aftercare shampoos. Revive shampoo is a low pH soap designed for your extreme dirt and grime, clogged coatings and bringing them back to life, where Coat Care is designed for your everyday maintenance of vehicles, taking care of your light to moderate dirt on the exterior of the vehicle and adding an additional layer of protection and hydrophobic after your wash. From there, we can move over to Diamond QD, which is a paint sealant that can also be used both in the interior and exterior to help combat smearing and fingerprinting in your interiors, darken, enrich your exterior surfaces, and bring back some of those great hydrophobic properties that we always love. Diamond Dissolve is our mineral and water spot removal product that is great on all exterior surfaces, both being able to be used on glass and painted surfaces. We do highly recommend do not use this in direct sunlight or apply on a hot surface. And always, once you've finished using Dissolve, neutralize with our multi-surface cleaner. Whether you're using our multi-surface ready-to-use product or making yourself your own bottle of multi-surface concentrate, diluting it down, is two great ways in order to neutralize your Diamond Dissolve. Diamond ProTech Multi-Surface Ready-to-Use is a pre-diluted product ready for you to use on mild and light exterior dirt and grimes and heavy-duty interior stains and imperfections. If you really need to step up and gain complete control of your cleaning agent, multi-surface concentrate allows you to control your dilutions as concentrated as 1:1 and all the way down to 30:1. At a 1:1 dilution, the surfactants keep the product in a clinging way, spraying it on sidewalls and engines. It does a phenomenal job as a degreaser as you dilute it down into the 4:1 and 10:1 range, giving you intense cleaning powers on the exterior and potentially bad grease and oil stains on the interior, and moving into that 10:1 all the way down to a 30:1 dilution, you can get all the way to a safe cleaner on your natural, genuine leathers, giving you complete control of all your cleaning needs, both inside and outside of your vehicle. I hope you've learned a lot about our Aftercare lineup of products. Thanks for watching.